how to create your own aura. I have already made a video on aura. Do you want to create your own aura? Listen, from my perception, aura is nothing but a powerful person with a strong personality. When you talk to anyone else, then they focus on your points and they engage with you, and that is the power of aura. If the people want to meet you, spend their time with you and talk to you and to be attached with you, this is the power of aura. Gradually, if your enemy is also getting attracted towards you and they want to talk to you and want to meet you, if you want to be like this, how will you be like this guy? First thing, what I have told you in my first video. What do you think about yourself? Why am I focusing on it? Do you want to know? Then listen. If your self-image is not okay, then you will be too far in the world. Everybody will be gone at the top. People judge you from your low confidence, and this appears on your face and in your body language. You will not reach at the top right now. If you really want to spread your own powerful aura, for this you will have to start practice on self-talk. You can use mirror technique for speaking practice. Talk to yourself by seeing yourself in the mirror. Say positive things to yourself. Say something. Start to conversate with your mirror image. Try to make eye contact. Start talking in any topic. You will have to pay attention on body language to improve it. Whatever you have acquired in you, that all rag will not go out quickly, but it will take continuous practice and time, because your subconscious mind doesn't know what is good or bad. What you speak, you become like that. If you say wrong things yourself, then you will become bad, but if you say good things yourself, then you will become too good, and at that time your own powerful and strong aura will be born, and then you will attract people. From my opinion, if once your own aura has been created, then whenever you will start to talk to anyone else, at that time you will feel good, and because of your powerful aura, that guy will talk to you continuously, but suddenly when you leave that guy, then a type of regret you will definitely feel, and at that time you will say yourself, why did I talk to him for a long time? If it's happened with you, then congratulations, you have created your own aura, your own powerful and attractive aura, in which only they can stay, whose aura will match with you. For example, why did you say a lion is the king of forest, but tiger is more powerful than that of lion? You say the king to the lion because of his body language, his silence power, and his powerful and strong aura. Listen, if no one want to listen you and no one want to learn from you anything, it means you have nothing. You are empty. Today, why are you listening to me carefully? Because you think that you will be changed after listening to me. Yes, of course, definitely. Are you getting what do I want to make you understand? Your identity creates your aura. Your aura is being created by your thoughts. Which day your perception of thinking about yourself will be changed, then from that day, this world of people and even your family members will start to give you respect, and then you will deserve respect. Actually, this is aura. When you start to talk to the people, then they listen you carefully. Like this, you are listening to me carefully right now. Then can I say that this is my aura? You can also do this easily only if you have confidence. This confidence can be built gradually. Whatever I am saying you can write it down. Only important topic. On what topic do you want video? Please write it down in the comment. Which question will be beneficial for everyone? Then I'll pick that and I'll try to make the best video on that topic. So take care yourself and do hard work and keep growing. Build your own powerful aura. Change your own perception. Thanks for watching. Bye.